Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Apple Watch SE Cellular. First, make sure your iPhone is running the latest iOS and your watch has at least 50% charge. Bring your Apple Watch close to your iPhone and a pairing screen will automatically appear. Tap Continue on your iPhone, then select Setup for Myself. Use your iPhone's camera to scan the animation on your watch's display to begin the pairing process. Once your watch is paired, you'll be prompted to set up Cellular. This is where you connect your Apple Watch SE to your mobile network. Tap Set up Cellular and follow the instructions from your carrier. You'll typically log in with your carrier account to add the watch to your existing plan. This usually takes just a few moments, allowing your watch to make calls and use data independently. After cellular activation, it's time to personalize your Apple Watch SE. Use the Watch app on your iPhone to choose your favorite watch faces and arrange your apps. You can also set up important features like Apple Pay for convenient purchases and emergency SOS for safety. Don't forget to configure your health and fitness goals to make the most of its tracking capabilities. To ensure a smooth experience, always keep both your iPhone and Apple Watch SE updated to their latest software versions. If you experience any cellular connectivity issues, first verify your carrier plan and check for network coverage in your area. A simple restart of both your iPhone and Apple Watch can often resolve minor glitches. Enjoy the freedom of your new cellular-enabled Apple Watch SE.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.